Jaden, watch this mommy host the show. It's the Daily Davidson Show. Yes, the Daily Davidson Show.
Snow day, no school. This is all the snow that we got. It's cold out here, so we're all outside. Well, teacher's inside. Woo! Windy? Carter. You guys want to make a snow volcano?
Yeah.
Come here. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it over here. Where should we do it? Let's do it right here.
We're gonna make it big.
Alright. I don't know if, ooh, my ankles are cold. I don't think I put
Have you made one?
enough socks. No, I haven't actually. We're gonna figure it out. Grace, you ready? Let's do it. Cardi, cold?
Are we gonna work together?
Yeah, we're gonna work together. We're gonna do one because we got one cup. You wanna make a snow volcano, Chancey? Yes? Let's do it. Alright. First we gotta build a volcano. We're building a volcano. We're not turning green, it's just the snow is sticking to it, so it looks white. Good job, Carter. Making a volcano. Go. Vlog mommy, make it. Alright, ready? Go. Alright, watch out, back up. Get back. Don't get too close. Alright, I'm gonna put some of this in here. Watch out, Carter, watch out.
See the volcano! Are they gonna melt it? Is the snow gonna melt?
Snow gonna melt?
Mommy, put more in it!
Alright,
Is the snow gonna melt or no?
yeah, eventually. More?
Can I touch it?
Last one. Chanty's ready to go back inside. We've been out here 5 minutes. He wants, he's ready to go back inside.
I'm tired. So cold. So cold.
You good? You good, man? You guys missed it, man. He just came in here like, oh, it's freezing out there. You cold? You didn't last but like 5 minutes.
It's really cold.
It's cold, huh?
And my socks are. And my socks.
Your socks are wet too?
And my pants.
Your pants?
I need them clothes.
You're so cold? Can we turn the fireplace on for you?
I'm cold. I'm cold.
Alright, let me turn the fireplace on. You can sit by the fireplace and I'll get you some clothes, okay?
I'm cold.
Aww.
Let's make a snow.
How do you make a snow form?
We're gonna make squares and stack them.
Squares and stack them.
Let's make an igloo.
I don't know if the snow is like hard. I think it's too soft to make an igloo.
What about a world?
A world? How do you do that? Jen wants to make a snowman, but I think the snow is still too soft. Either that, or I don't really know how to make a snowman. The snow. I'm gonna roll him down the hill. You ready, Carter? Ready? Set?
Yeah.
Go! Oh, it's not working. Oh, here out here it's working. Carter's not working. Oh, it's not going anywhere. It's working. Carter, are you having fun? Hmm? Woo! Day 4, maybe, of being snowed in. The boys didn't have school Thursday or Friday. And what is today? Today's Saturday. And we've been in the house pretty much all day. Their friend came over to play with them. But now they're getting ready to go to Nana's house because me and TJ are gonna go on a date. Why are you looking like that, Jay? A place called Cine Bistro. I don't know if you guys have it where you guys live, but it's a movie theater where you can eat dinner while you're watching the movie. And it's freezing cold outside, but we've been inside like for the past 4 days, so we're gonna go out. You need your jacket on to go to Nana's house? Hey, Chanty, shoes. Come on, your jacket in. Jacket. There you go. Jay, come on, get up. Let's go. Can you help your brother zip his jacket for me, please?
Okay.
Chanty, shoes, come on.
I'll help you, okay?
Alright, put your shoes on. Give me a beat.
Mommy.
What? What? Jaden was gonna help you. You don't want, can Jaden help you with it? You're gonna try?
Someone help me.
Hold on 1 sec. Guys, I'm only one person, okay? My goodness gracious. Your jacket? I don't know where's your jacket. It's not in here, it's in here, I think.
Mommy.
There's TJ. Here.
What's up, guys? I'm vlogging now. That's what I'm doing. I'm looking for my stuff.
Oh my goodness.
Where's my jacket at, babe?
Well, because I think you have to be 21.
I'm 21.
I know, you have to prove it at this.
Okay.
So like I was about to say earlier, TJ mentioned, what did you say? He said a quote from the TV show that we're watching on Netflix called Black Mirror. I had asked on Facebook the other day what shows I should binge watch, and we started watching Black Mirror, and it's pretty good. We watched season 1 and half of season 2. Both of them are really short seasons. Season 2 had four episodes, season 1 had 3 episodes. And we're gonna finish season 2 tonight and probably start going to season 3. But it's really good, it's crazy. Every episode is different, so you can watch them like out of order if you want to. But it's basically about like, I guess how the future could be and how technology is. And yeah, it's crazy. You should watch it. You like it? He likes it.
Yeah, after you started watching without me, we
So
kind of got into it together.
Okay, we got into it. I started watching it first. I watched the first 3 episodes first. And then he started watching it. No, then we started watching season 2 together, and then he went back to watch season 1. But now we're on the same page. Yeah. Anyways, we're on our way to go see, I don't think I told y'all what we're gonna see. We're gonna see Jumanji with Kevin Hart and The Rock and one of the Jonas Brothers. I don't know which one of them was in there. And Jack Black. Is Jack Black in it? Is Jack Black in it?
Yeah.
We just bought the tickets online, and it says that you're supposed to get there like 30 minutes before the movie starts if you want to eat. But we're not going to get there until 10 minutes before the movie starts. So I really hope that they honor us and let us eat because I'm so hungry. Like honor that we didn't get there before 30 minutes. Does that make sense? Honor. Like you honor. You know, like when you try to use like a coupon that expires, some people, they'll be like, I'll still honor it for you. I can't use that in the same sentence.
I mean, you can use it. I feel like you're being dramatic.
I'm just hungry. My brain is just, you know. So hopefully we can eat because I'm really hungry.
Oh, shoot, jeez. Hopefully we're not too late. You know what I'm saying?
All right, let's go.
You just hungry. You just want to eat. All right, we made it. Hopefully we can eat.
My teeth are cold.
Your teeth?
Yeah.
your teeth cold? She's ordering.
I like to look at pictures when I order stuff. I love visuals. I like to look at the food.
Half an hour. They were just all over the place. And then I just.
Do you know what you want?
She's on Yelp.
I like, yeah. That's what I like.
I sent her.
Not sponsored.
So he has her tacos.
I hope they're good. Show your food?
Why they playing rollout in here?
Why are they?
Yeah, like
I
loud.
don't know which one I should get. 20%. Is it all matched to the purple song?
All right, back out in the cold.
And it's dark now.
What did you think about the movie?
The movie was good. I was just confused with the end. We can't tell them how it ends because we don't want to do spoilers.
Yeah.
But I was confused.
Yeah.
But it was good. It was funny. We were laughing the whole time. Who do you think was the funniest?
I was laughing the whole time. The guy beside me was laughing the entire time.
The guy beside us was doing a lot. He was laughing
He
like
was laughing at stuff that
literally
wasn't
the
even,
entire time.
stuff that wasn't even funny. They'll just say, you know, that's crazy. And he'll be like, he just was weak. But anyway, let's get home because it's cold.
It's freezing.
Look at all this snow.
I was holding your hand because it was freezing.
Oh, I gotta get the keys.
We're home. We just picked up the kids from Nana and Papa's house. I don't understand. What is it with my children and taking their socks off and like throwing them just random places? Like I tell them all the time, if you want to take your socks off, put them like in a hamper and put them together and then put them in like the hamper or whatever. But they just like, look at all these socks. I just found them. Just walk around the house before I came upstairs. I don't get it. Does anybody else's children like just like don't like to keep their socks on? Like they just take them off? I don't get it. I don't get it. Uh-oh. Where's my husband? Carter's in my bed. Carter. What you doing? Huh? Look, you look like a grown man. What are you doing? You want your Ryan's toy? Tube or something? Alright, then you go to bed. I got church tomorrow. Husband. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, he naked.